Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI. Fuinloth carries a awesome puffer vest. I recently wore a couple of them to Alaska and I absolutely loved them. I think you will too.
I really liked how these both kept me really warm in Alaska. I could wear this simply over a long sleeve shirt, but then other days I would wear this under my jacket for a little bit more warmth because it did range quite a bit in Alaska. I love the front pockets with the zippers. These also have inside pockets, which are really nice. It's so comfortable. I love that you can also squish these down to fit in your luggage very easily. The colors are very pretty, very fashionable, but also easy to clean. I like how the brown has that darker zipper and the cream color has the silver zipper. It has these outside detail pockets that aren't functional but add a lot of style to the jacket. So overall, I would give this a 10 out of 10. It worked out perfectly for my trip to Alaska.
And that's my point of view.